Which of the following is the most appropriate pharmacotherapy? 3 days after admission to the hospital following a motor vehicle accident, a 45-year-old woman develops a fever. A central venous catheter was placed on the day of admission for the treatment of severe hypertension. Her temperature is 39, the patient has fever. Examination shows erythema surrounding the catheter insertion site at the right internal jugular vein. Blood culture grows gram-positive, catalase positive, cocci. Now, there is a low minimum inhibitory concentration of nevibusin. Okay, this is nevibusin sensitive, catalase positive, coagulase, gram-positive, catalase positive organism. Okay, which of the following is the most appropriate pharmacotherapy for this patient? Okay, which infection, which bacteria is related to catheter-associated infection? Okay, bacteria, Staph epidermidis. And what about which fungus causes catheter-associated infection? Okay, Candida albicans and Staph epidermidis is the most common cause of catheter-associated infection. Okay, what is because the patient acquired this infection in the hospital through the catheter, and this is Staph epidermidis. Is the bacteria here. It says gram-positive, catalase positive, coagulase negative, and it's nevibusin sensitive bacteria. That is Staph epidermidis. And the Staph epidermidis make biofilms on catheters and through adhesions make in the catheter site. Then it causes a catheter-associated infection. There are lots of catheter-associated infection. Could be bacterium, endocarditis, and can cause even joint infection, these things. Okay, but what would we give for this condition? What do we give for the catheter-associated infection due to Staph epidermidis? What do we give? Okay, we give vancomycin for the treatment of catheter-associated infection, usually hospital-acquired infection. We give vancomycin for the treatment of this infection, and also we give for H. pylori. Also, we give metronidazole for parasitic infection, like on amoebiasis, giardiasis, this condition. Minocycline, we give for minocycline and tetracycline, doxycycline, the same class. They can treat the Staph epidermidis, but the problem is that we don't give it as a first line. First line is always vancomycin. Okay, vancomycin inhibit the cell wall synthase of the bacteria. Clarithromycin we give for penicillin-sensitive, penicillin-allergic patient. Penicillin G is also its cell wall synthase. And for gram-positive we give penicillin, some gram-negative. And polymyxin is only we give for we give for multi-drug resistant, especially gram-negative bacteria. For example, Pseudomonas, E. coli, these bacteria we give polymyxin as a last resort, as a last line. We give polymyxin as a last line for multi-drug resistant strain of E. coli, Pseudomonas in this gram-negative infection.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.